Hey everyone, I'm Jessica. Today we're gonna do an awesome booty workout. It's a beginner booty workout, so we're gonna really give you that firm, toned booty that you're looking for, okay? So we're gonna start off on the floor. I'm using my ankle weights today. If you're more of a beginner or you don't have ankle weights, you can always do it without them, but if you have them, just make sure you toss them on. It'll be more effective that way. All right, so I'm gonna start off on the floor. We're going to do this exercise for 45 seconds. We're going to do straight leg bounce kickbacks. Okay, that's 45 seconds on each leg. So I have my timer right here. So make sure to start the timer and we're gonna bounce. So you wanna make sure every time you're coming up, you're really squeezing that glute throughout the entire movement to give you that tight look. So you want to squeeze and bounce at the top. Don't bring it down too low. We're doing 45 seconds, 15 seconds left. Five. Good, now we're gonna switch. Same thing on the other leg. Make sure to keep the leg nice and straight. We're gonna go 45 seconds. You wanna just feel every single rep. Okay, we have 15 seconds left. Five. All right. All right, so take a few deep breaths. We're going to do fire hydrants next, okay? So we're gonna bring our leg out as if we're peeing on a fire hydrant. Okay? 45 seconds each leg. This is really going to work your outer glute too. All right, so we're gonna kick out. Make sure the leg is 90 degrees. And back down slow. Really feel the outer glute working. So you wanna come up at least for 2 seconds, hold and come down slow. This is timed, so don't rush any movement. All right, make sure you're doing each movement where you feel the glute working. All right, 5 seconds left. Last one. Good, now we're switching legs. Same thing on the other leg. 45 seconds. Ready? Come down slow. Make sure you're squeezing the glutes. 15 seconds left. Last one. All right. We're staying down here. Take a sip of water. Wipe the sweat. We're gonna keep going. You should really feel the glutes getting firm, getting tight. You should feel them burning already. All right, let's move on. We're doing bent leg kickbacks now. Same thing, 45 seconds each leg. So let's go on our elbows again. We're gonna bend the leg in and bring it up. Squeeze the glute. Come back down. Up and squeeze. Come down slow. We have 10 seconds. One more. Good. All right, let's go on to the other leg. Remember to squeeze when you come out and come back down slow. Ten seconds, you should feel that booty burning. 5. Last one. All right, hydrate. Take a few seconds to get the oxygen flowing. Okay, we're going on to kickbacks, straight leg, but we're going to go to the side. Okay, so we're gonna do it to the side. I'm gonna scoot over a little so I don't hit the couch. So we're gonna come to the side and it's gonna work your outer glute as well. And we're gonna go 45 seconds on each leg. So come up, back down. Squeeze when you come up. And as you see, I'm coming down slow to really isolate the glute. 15 seconds left. All right, 5. Last one. All right, now we're switching, other leg. All right, same thing. So out to the side. Set the timer, begin. Come down slow, it's time, so don't rush. We have about 15 seconds left. Last few. One more. All right, we're putting this to the side because now we're gonna stand up and we're gonna do a few exercises for the legs. If you need a few more seconds, just pause the video. Once you're ready, go ahead and resume again. Just make sure you get through the entire workout. We can go ahead and take off the ankle weights if you're wearing any, because we're not gonna use them anymore. All right, next we're doing regular squats for 1 full minute. So go ahead and get into the squat position. Toes forward, about shoulder width apart. When you come down, make sure you're bringing the hips back and the glutes back, okay? So let's start the timer, 1 minute. And back up, and when you come down, make sure the knees are not passing your toes. And you're pushing off your heels as you're coming up. "30 seconds left, halfway there. All right, we have 10 seconds, last few. Keep going. One more. Good. If you need a few seconds, that's fine, but let's try to go right into 30 seconds of bounce squats, okay? Let's start the timer one more time. Same stance, but this time we're gonna stay low and bounce for 30 seconds. Keep the back nice and straight. And remember to push off your heels every time you bounce. 15 seconds. Last few, come on. All right, we have one exercise left. Take a sip of water, catch your breath. All right, this last one, we're gonna come back down on the floor, but we're doing hip thrusts this time. So go ahead and lay down on the floor. Your feet flat, and we're gonna thrust our hips up, squeeze the glutes, and come back down. Okay, we're doing this for 90 seconds. So 1.5 minutes. Once you're ready, hands by your side, and begin. So thrust up, squeeze, and back down. Down slow. As soon as you touch the floor, come right back up. Don't rest on the floor. Bring your hips as high as you can. Squeeze, come back down slow. We have 1 minute left. Make sure you feel every rep and don't stop squeezing. Bring those hips up. We have 30 seconds left. Five seconds, last few. All right, one more. Good, all right. All right, guys, so that was my at-home booty workout. So you can do it if you're a beginner, if you're intermediate, you can still do it. Put some ankle weights on to make it a little more effective. If you liked it, if you did it with me, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on the next workout.